Welcome to the Rio Grande City Historic Walking Tour. Lopez-Tijerina Home and Courtyard. The Lopez-Tijerina house was built in 1830 with a second-story addition constructed in 1860. Little is known about its origins, but this large complex is associated with Lázaro Garza Lopez, his wife, Manuela González Lopez, his daughter Dionisia González Lopez, and her husband Cruz Garza Tijerina. Cruz Garza Tijerina moved to Rio Grande City at a young age and his care entrusted to John Peter Kelsey. Under Kelsey's guardianship, Cruz learned English, bookkeeping, general business, and became the foreman for Mr. Kelsey's ranches. Cruz and Dionisia had no children, but adopted Gonzalo Garza Tijerina. Gonzalo inherited the property and subsequently passed it along to his children. There is a common wall on the west side separating the Lopez-Tijerina complex from the John Peter Kelsey building complex. The old stone wall, which can be seen from Main Street, also dates from this early period. Made of varying sizes of rock and rubble, it is said to be the oldest wall in town, dating to the original Rancho Davis. The lintel of a one-time door can be seen in the wall. In 2002, the city of Rio Grande City purchased the property and currently houses the Rio Grande City Main Street program and Rio Grande City Visitor Center offices, as well as serving as a business incubator.